G'day, welcome back to the 40 channel. So today, hopefully, will be a special episode. We'll see how we go. This is Andrew. Andrew has a heap of knowledge when it comes to motors and hot rods and all that stuff. So I've invited Andrew over today. This is not the first time Andrew's been here.
No.
He's been here before. He helped us get ready for Long Drive for a Drought last year. He was also here about 4 weeks ago, 5 weeks ago.
We were here before Long Drive.
We were, before Long Drive for a Drought, and we had a crack at trying to start the motor. Okay, are we ready, Andrew?
Born ready.
All right.
Up there? It should have been well and truly.
There's lots of fuel in there. Retro Road and Track actually sent us these. Now, apparently, if we plug these in between our spark plug and our lead, if we have spark, they should light up. Negative.
No party.
Party from the distributor.
No lights.
We were unsuccessful, but we learnt quite a bit. So we didn't have any spark. There was no spark, which meant no bang. I found out that the distributor, there was some insulation problems there. I stripped all the distributor down, rebuilt the distributor, put some new insulation in, and I've now confirmed we have spark. Yes. We confirmed last time that we had fuel to the carby. There was a leak in the carby. We've also hopefully repaired that. Yeah, we do have a fuel leak. So as long as we've got spark, fuel and air, science says...
Kaboom, let's go.
Kaboom. Righto. So without further ado, we're confirming it's out of gear. We've confirmed this is going to be our kill switch. And we already have our starting procedure from before.
All
okay,
right.
Let's watch that fill up, hopefully.
Have you...
Ooh, that wasn't very good for the starter.
No.
Why isn't that? Sounds like it's not engaging.
Yeah, it's in the wrong spot. We need to...
Let's just put it in the gear. See if we can give it a little bit of a shake.
Oh, now
Better. Better.
That's it.
Righto.
Alright, send.
Look at the little lights coming up on. Oh, you got that on yet? Yeah. Okay, here goes the film. There's the party. We're up.
Middle of the seats doing his thing. Happy days.
Okay, we had a little bit of stuff going on in compression. Have we flooded it?
I don't think we've flooded it because I can't smell it straight out the exhaust here.
Do we want to?
It should have, by all rights, kicked pretty quick if our timing was on point. That said, it hasn't backfired on us yet either. Is that the best battery you got for the party?
Pretty much. A tiny bit more power. But yeah, anyway, let's go. Right. Ready?
Yep. We haven't got a single kaboosh.
No, nothing.
And like I can smell fuel, so is there anything spark we're missing over that side of Texas here?
There, ready?
Yep.
Take 3.
Where could it be?
That's just not igniting. Let's take one of the plugs out.
Alright, and put it against the block and sort of see if it's
Yep.
got spark. We're only validating what we've already validated,
Yep.
but there's nothing wrong with that.
And we can see if it's wet.
Yes, check the plug, see if the plug's wet.
Yep.
Oh, easy on the paint.
Righty.
They're still fresh as.
Brand new.
Fresh as. You can't feel it, can't smell it.
No. Yep. Spark.
You got spark there. on there.
That was that was the most exciting moment for this 58-year-old motor. Afternoon.
Keep it real.
Maybe its first turnover leaving the Toyota factory would have been pretty exciting too.
But we've got a little bit of party going on there.
So close.
I really would have thought that would have carried on once it started to sort of
That detonation of
a movement, while there's not even a cough, I mean splutter.
I mean, we could be a little bit off with our, advance.
Yeah, but it still would have spluttered. So,
Yeah. Ready?
born ready. There.
I would have thought we would have seen something.
We should have
almost
seen something.
straight away.
Perplexed.
Mm.
Yeah.
We're not having the desired result that we were actually hoping for. So we did adjust the timing off camera, but we still had no go, as you just saw. We're starting to run out of options.
We can be a bit this way or that way and it's still going to fire. Or at least react in some context. At the moment we don't even have a reaction.
Confirm that because
We just confirmed that one.
the top piston was at number 1.
Yeah. Yep. Let's go.
Well, I'm just trying to throw some optimism there.
No,
You
I
know.
like it. I'm with you. Let's go. Bring the thunder. One. Rotate that a little, like we talked.
Play out.
Let's just lift the cap a sec. Okay, so that backfired up. So we may be a little bit too advanced.
Just want to back it.
Back it a little. Let's take it back towards where you were.
We could probably go past.
Go past
that.
it and see, because we know what the
Right, let's put
outcome
it
was.
exactly in line with it.
Yep.
Oh, you want to go a tiny bit more?
I think
This is getting super exciting.
oh,
Okay, let's just like,
not in a fun way, but
whew, that carbon monoxide is awesome.
all right. Second.
Okay, right, I've only moved it the fractionist.
We're living, Barry.
Woo! That is so exciting. That is. We've been working on this for
Way too long.
an hour and a half. No, nearly 2 hours. We have tried all sorts of stuff. At the end of the day, it came down to timing. I'm pumped. I am pumped. That is the first time I've actually ever seen this motor fire up. Just playing with that distributor, getting it in the right spot. The first cough and splatters were very exciting, and then to see that fire up was amazing. So, 58-year-old motor, I don't know how long it's been since it's fired up. We know it's been at least 10 years, but it was totally seized and rusted as you've seen in the past. But anyway, that comes to an end of this. We've finally fired it up.
Yes!
Yes!
We're off.
We're off. So that means moving forward, we can move forward with the body and we can do some fine tuning with the motor and get it sorted. Anyway, thanks, champion. Much appreciated. Until next time, take care of yourself.